Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's second video I create. Now I want to explain about sequence and series. For the first, I want to explain about sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a particular order. Okay, next is the type of sequence. There are four types of sequence. The first is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a definite number to the preceding number. And then second is geometric sequence. Geometric sequence is a sequence in which every term is obtained by multiplying or dividing a definite number with the preceding number. And the third is Fibonacci sequence. A Fibonacci sequence is the numbers from an interesting sequence of number in which each element is obtained by adding two preceding elements. Sequence start with 0 and 1. Fibonacci is used in application in computer science, statistics, and nature. The last is harmonic sequence. Harmonic sequence is a series of number is said to be in harmonic sequence if the reciprocals of all the elements of the sequence form an arithmetic sequence. Okay, in real life, this formula can also be used by scientists to conclude the value of their experiments. Okay, first the example. Establish the degree at which water boils each time the temperature is changed with the same value. Okay, let's move to the sequence formula. For the first, I will explain arithmetic sequence. This is this is the form of arithmetic sequence: a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d and so on. The formula is an equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, there is the symbol a, the first number at the sequence. We see that a in here, an the nth term of a given sequence. Okay, the n is the term. D is common difference. Okay, how can how can we get the common difference? The common difference can we get with subtracting the second term, the second term with the one term. Or you can choose the third or the fourth term. It's yeah, you can do to all the terms, but in this example I want to do with second terms and one terms. So we write second term subtract by first term, and we can get the difference. Okay, next is the example. The 40th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 5, 3, 1 is. Okay, first we search the difference, common difference. We subtract 5 with 7, and then we get minus 2. And then we write this formula, and then we put the number in here in this question. to the formula. And finally, we get the A40 is negative 71. Okay, the next is geometric sequence. This is the geometric sequence A, comma, AR, AR, comma, AR to the power of 2, comma, AR to the power of 3, and so on. And the formula is AN equals AR to the power of N minus 1. It's same with the symbols at the arithmetic sequence, but the difference is we change the common difference with common ratio. Uh, okay, let's move. Oh yeah, I forget to tell you about how can we get the R or the ratio. The R is we can get the because in the last I explained you about geometric is a sequence in which every term is obtained by multiply and dividing. So we divide the second terms with the first terms. So we can get the ratio. Sorry, is you can see it properly because I don't have any pen to draw it. Okay, the example. The seventh term of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12 is, yeah, we get the ratio is 2. And then we put the formula, we put the number to the formula, and then we find that A7 is 192. Okay, the next is, what is series? Series is defined as the sum of the elements of a sequence. Okay, first is arithmetic series. It's different from the sequence. At the sequence, we use comma, but this series, we see that plus, not comma. So is the formula is Sn equals n divided by 2. So we multiply it by 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, the symbol is a, yeah, the first number at the series Sn. The different from the sequence is at the sequence we find an, but in the series we find Sn. Let's go to the example. Oh yeah, how to find the D is more like the sequence. We just subtract the A 2 or the terms 2 with the terms 1. This is how can we get the D. Okay, example. The 15th term of the arithmetic sequence 16, 20, 24 is we get the common difference is 20 minus 16 is 4, and then we write the formula and we put the number to the formula as 15 equals 15 divided by 2, and then we multiply by 2 multiply by 16, and then we add it with 15 and then minus 1, and we multiply again with the 4, and the result we see that S15 is 660. Okay, the next is geometric series. The geometric series is also different with the geometric sequence. With the commas, we change it to the plus. Yeah, we can see this. A plus AR plus AR to the power of 2 plus AR to the power of 3 plus and so on. And then the formula is Sn equals A R to the power of n minus 1, and we divided it by R minus 1. Yeah, it's the same as the geometric sequence, but the difference is at the geometric sequence we n, but in the geometric series we see the Sn, which is the nth term of a given series. The ratio is, yeah, it's same like the we can get the common ratio at geometric sequence. R is a given term of the given series 2 divided by Sn first term. Okay, let's move to the example. The sum of the first 7 terms at the geometric series 3, 6, 12 is, we can get the ratio is 2, and then we put it the 7 and the ratio to the formula as 7 equals 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. Then we divided it with 3 minus 1. We can get S7 is 381. And then let's move to the sequence and series in our daily life. I know it if you just curious about how we can get sequence and series in our daily life, and then I'll give you a example. Okay, first we arranging a bench in the meeting hall, and the second calculate our saving in the bank, and the third is calculate the length of the cut rope. Okay, it's all about uh, sequence and series. Sorry for if I get some mistake because I'm still learning to English or editing. Okay, have a nice day.